Trex stands out against the competition for a multitude of reasons. The biggest one, I feel, is that they're always leading in innovation.
A lot of people don't realize that Trex makes a lot more than just deck boards. They've innovated now into the railing space. They've got basically every option a homeowner could want.
Trex fencing product is just as good as their deck products, and it just shows that Trex is willing to get into something besides just decks.
When I'm designing a project, there's a lot of different color options. You can go in there and you can bring the samples in and you can design it with the color scheme in mind.
I love the ease of installation, I love the gapping, and I love the fact that I can remove a board in the future without damaging the deck.
Our customers love using the new Lineage line that has the heat mitigation technology. It tends to be a lot cooler of a product, and they can actually enjoy their decks during the summertime.
I believe Trex will continue to innovate their products going forward, just like they've done for the past 25 years.